Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your headphones Philips. So let me play some song, all controls located at the right ear cup. Let's get started with the power button. So, with the power button, if you press and hold it, you will turn off or turn on your headphones. If your headphones turn off and you press and hold power button until the LED lights start flashing white and blue, more blinking, you will enter to prank mode. Also, when your headphones already connected with the phone, you can press 2 times at the power button and you will enable or disable game mode. 1, 2, we just enable game mode, you will hear tone prompt. 1, 2, and we disable game mode. You will also hear another tone prompt. Then we have play pause button. If you press 1 time, you will play or pause the song. If you press 2 times, you will enable or disable bass boost. 1, 2, you will also hear the same prompt as on game mode. And we just enable it 1, 2, and we disable also the same prompt as on bass boost. Then we have volume control button. So we have the plus button to increase the volume and minus button to lower the volume. So press 1 time to increase the volume, and as you can see at this widget, it works. If you want to lower the volume, press 1 time at the volume down button. And as you can see, I just lowered it. Now, if you press and hold at the volume up button, you will play next track. And as you can see now, I'm playing next track. If you wanna play previous track, you need to press and hold at the volume down button. And also, we can answer the call by press 1 time at the play pause button. And you can reject a call by press and hold play pause button. Also, I forget to tell you that with a play pause button we can call voice assistant. I have iOS, so I will call a Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe you set up Gemini, you will call Gemini, or maybe you have Samsung, you will call Bixby or something else. Okay, so let me press and hold at the play pause button and we can check it. And as you can see, I just awake Siri. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!